Hello guys, in this video I will show you two methods to add content in Gmail. First, go to gmail.com in your web browser. This will open your Gmail account. Click an email message from the person you want to add. The content of the message will appear. Hover your mouse over the person name. Click open detail view to the pop-up window. Click the add content icon. It is the outline of the paper with a plus symbol at the top right corner of the right panel. If you don't see the icon, this person is already your content list. Gmail automatically adds people to your contact list when you send them a message. But you can add content manually. Use Google Contents. First, go to content@google.com in a browser. Click the plus sign. It's a plus sign at the bottom right corner on the phone. Click a tab, create a content. Enter the person content information. Enter the first name, last name, phone number, and email address, and each appropriate field, but the might be pre-filled if that content Gmail information is correct. Tap save. It's the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and click bell icon for more updates.